Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting sounds w and v. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the w sound in the word Walt. Walt, Walt. Now the v sound in the word vault. Vault, vault. Now I will use them both in a sentence. Did Walt put it in the vault? Did Walt put it in the vault? Did Walt put it in the vault? Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat.